Laharpur, a town whispering history. Tucked away in Uttar Pradesh, Laharpur is a hidden gem. This quaint town, often overlooked by travelers, holds a charm that is both timeless and enchanting. As you approach Laharpur, the first thing that strikes you is the lush greenery that envelops the town. Fields stretch out as far as the eye can see, dotted with trees that sway gently in the breeze. The landscape is a painter's dream, with every shade of green imaginable. Far from the city's clamor, it offers peace and tranquility. The roads here are quiet, often only disturbed by the occasional passing of a bicycle or a bullock cart. The pace of life is slow, allowing you to take in the beauty of your surroundings. The countryside is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, you can truly breathe and let go of all your worries. The air is clean. Birdsong fills the air. Every morning, the town wakes up to the melodious tunes of various birds. It's a symphony that soothes the soul and sets the tone for a peaceful day ahead. The clear skies and fresh air are a stark contrast to the pollution and noise of urban areas. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life that we often take for granted. Time seems to move slower here. It's a place to reconnect with nature and yourself. The gentle flow of the river, the rustling of leaves, and the chirping of birds create a serene environment that encourages introspection and relaxation. Walking through the forest paths with sunlight filtering through the trees, you can't help but feel a deep sense of calm. It's a perfect place for meditation, yoga, or simply sitting by the river and letting your thoughts wander. The town is steeped in history. It whispers tales of emperors and saints. Every corner of Laharpur has a story to tell. The historical buildings and ruins stand as silent witnesses to the town's rich past. These structures, though weathered by time, exude a sense of grandeur and mystery. They speak of a time when emperors ruled and saints walked these lands, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and intrigue. Laharpur invites you to explore its heritage, discover ancient monuments, wander through bustling markets. The town's markets are a vibrant mix of colors, sounds, and smells. Here you can find everything from traditional handicrafts to fresh produce. The locals are warm and welcoming, always ready to share stories about their town's history and culture. As you explore, you'll find that Laharpur is not just a place, but an experience. It's a journey through time, offering a glimpse into a world that is both ancient and timeless. Embraced by nature's bounty. Laharpur is blessed with natural beauty. Lush green fields surround the town. Mango groves offer shade from the summer sun. The gentle breeze carries the scent of jasmine and marigold. The climate is pleasant for most of the year. Winters are cool and misty. Summers are hot, but the evenings bring relief. Monsoon season paints the landscape in vivid green, where peacocks dance and trees whisper. In the heart of Laharpur, nature's symphony plays on an endless loop. This is a place where the beauty of the natural world is on full display, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Laharpur is a haven for nature lovers. The dense green forest stretches as far as the eye can see, creating a lush canopy that shelters a diverse array of wildlife. The panoramic views of the nature reserve are nothing short of breathtaking, offering a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. Walk through fields dotted with wildflowers. These vibrant blooms paint the landscape with a riot of colors, each petal a testament to the beauty and diversity of the natural world. The pathways meander through these fields, inviting you to take a leisurely stroll and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the surroundings. Spot colorful birds in their natural habitat. The trees are alive with the fluttering of wings and the cheerful songs of birds. From the vibrant hues of the parrots to the delicate beauty of the smaller songbirds, each species adds its own unique charm to the landscape. The air is alive with the sound of insects and birdsong. The gentle hum of insects and the melodic calls of birds create a soothing soundtrack that accompanies you as you explore the forest. It's a reminder of the intricate web of life that thrives in this pristine environment. You might see a peacock dancing in the fields. These majestic birds are a sight to behold, their iridescent feathers shimmering in the sunlight. The peacock's dance is a mesmerizing display of grace and beauty, a true highlight of any visit to Laharpur, or a flock of parrots soaring through the sky. Their vibrant plumage stands out against the clear blue sky, creating a stunning visual spectacle. Watching these birds in flight is a reminder of the freedom and beauty of the natural world. Keep an eye out for the shy deer that roam the outskirts of the town. These gentle creatures are often seen grazing at the edge of the forest, their presence adding to the serene and peaceful atmosphere of Laharpur. Whether you're a seasoned nature enthusiast or a casual observer, The wildlife of Laharpur offers a captivating glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Echoes of a royal past. Emperor Firoz Shah Tughlaq founded Laharpur in the 14th century. He envisioned a prosperous town, one that would be a center of trade and culture. His legacy lives on in Laharpur's architecture. The town boasts several historical monuments. These include tombs, mosques and ancient wells, each telling a story of a bygone era. Laharpur is an important center for Sufism. The town is home to several dargahs. These are shrines dedicated to Sufi saints. People from all faiths visit these places. They seek blessings and spiritual solace. The dargahs are havens of peace. The atmosphere is calm and serene. It's a place to escape the noise of the world and connect with something larger than yourself. A tapestry of traditions. Laharpur is a melting pot of cultures. The town has been ruled by different dynasties over the centuries, each leaving its mark on the local culture. This blend of influences is visible everywhere. From the food to the festivals, Laharpur is a sensory delight. Experience the warmth of the locals, savor the flavors of traditional cuisine, and witness the vibrant celebrations. The rhythm of rural life. In the heart of the countryside, where the first light of dawn kisses the fields, life unfolds in a rhythm that is both timeless and serene. This is Laharpur, a village where the pace of life is dictated by the rising and setting of the sun, and where every day is a testament to the enduring connection between people and the land. Life in Laharpur moves at a slower pace. Here, the hustle and bustle of city life is a distant memory, replaced by the gentle ebb and flow of rural existence. People walk leisurely, taking the time to greet their neighbors and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves, creating a symphony that soothes the soul. People are connected to the land and their traditions. Farming is not just a means of livelihood here. It is a way of life, passed down through generations. The fields are a canvas painted with the hard work and dedication of the farmers who till the soil and nurture the crops. Each season brings its own set of tasks and rituals, all of which are carried out with a deep sense of respect for nature and tradition. Early mornings see farmers tending to their fields, their silhouettes etched against the golden hues of the sunrise. The cool morning air is filled with the scent of fresh earth and the promise of a new day. As the sun climbs higher, the village comes alive with activity, each person playing their part in the intricate dance of rural life. And children play in the streets. Their laughter echoes through the village, a reminder of the innocence and joy that is so often lost in the hustle of urban life. Here, childhood is spent outdoors, exploring the fields, climbing trees, and making memories that will last a lifetime. The streets are their playground, and every corner holds the promise of adventure. Experience the simple joys of rural life. Family gatherings are a common sight, with generations coming together to share meals, stories, and laughter. The bonds of family and community are strong, woven together by shared experiences and a collective sense of belonging. Whether it's a festive celebration or a quiet evening under the stars, every moment is cherished and savored. Share a cup of chai with the locals, listen to their stories. Each cup is a bridge, connecting you to the rich tapestry of lives and experiences that make up this vibrant community. The conversations flow as freely as the tea, filled with warmth, wisdom, and a touch of humor. It's in these moments that you truly understand the essence of rural life, a life that is rich in simplicity and profound in its depth. You'll find a sense of community that is rare in big cities. Here, everyone knows each other and there is a genuine sense of care and support. Celebrations are a communal affair, with everyone coming together to share in the joy and festivities. It's a reminder that in the rhythm of rural life, it is the connections we make and the moments we share that truly matter. Laharpur beckons the weary soul. Laharpur is the perfect getaway from the city's hustle. It's a place to relax and recharge, reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in history and culture. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking some peace, Laharpur has something for everyone. A journey to remember. A visit to Laharpur is more than just a trip. It's a journey of discovery. A chance to experience the real India. Come explore this hidden gem. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Laharpur awaits, ready to share its beauty and charm with you.